For over 50 years, since 1974, Plasma-Therm has defined precision in plasma processing. From the world's first single-wafer etcher to today's configurable systems trusted worldwide. Our platforms support research labs and high-volume fabs, from R&D to 300mm production, etch, deposition, thermal processing, plasma dicing. Precision tools for every challenge. Our systems empower innovators, from microelectronics to photonics, to shape what's next. Because progress isn't just measured in micron, it's measured in commitment. We master the balance of power and control, engineering performance at the atomic scale. The future is plasma, transforming semiconductors, optics, and advanced materials. Behind every breakthrough is a team, engineers, innovators, visionaries. That's Plasma-Therm, where precision meets innovation. Plasma-Therm, certified to ISO 9001, supported by decades of expertise in global service. Engineering progress at the atomic scale.